Hi everyone, so I'm going to be walking through how you can access the exclusive TikTok Shop campaigns page. So you can either follow along or just reference back to this video when you need to. So after you're in your seller center, you're going to want to go to the affiliate page. And then you're going to click this to get to the affiliate center homepage. And then you're going to go to work with partners. Here, there are also our other partner campaign options, but you are looking for exclusive TikTok Shop campaigns. So once you click in, you're going to see different campaigns that you've been invited to or that your products have been invited to. So you're going to have more or less than me here. And of course, it's going to be a different campaign. And you're going to hit view details. Here you can see the campaign name, description, duration, and which agencies have been invited. Before you start to approve and add products to this campaign, you're going to want to enter in your contact info. You cannot approve or reject products unless you've entered in this information. And this information is going to be for agencies. So, for example, if they have a creator who's worked really well with your product, they might want to be able to contact you to work on a more personal level. So, underneath, after you fill in this information, you're going to see which different products you can approve or reject. So, ideally, if you don't really want to add a product into the campaign, you don't need to reject it because once you reject it, we can't add it back. So now you can select products to approve like this. You can also edit the commission rate. You can offer more than this suggested commission rate. You can go ahead and do that. You can also batch approve or reject. And all of these are going to show up in this approved section. And then you can track your campaign performance here. And this is where you're going to be able to see if a creator has created a video and generated sales. All of that information is going to be here for you.